Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of this absolutely incredible 435D M Sport Gran Coupe that's presented in the optional Tanzanite metallic. Alongside that, of course, I'll show you around the overall condition alongside going around taking a seat inside the vehicle and running you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. Alongside that very nice optional Tanzanite colour, we've of course fitted the car with a full YNC Mpeformance body styling kit, and alongside that adding the 20-inch 795M Mpeformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and of course those being presented in the gloss black, sitting very nicely set against that option paint. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2016 reg, and you'll be able to see the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, you'll get a sense of just how nice the metallic is in the option paint. It's got the gloss black air breathers. The vehicle comes equipped with a wide array of optional extras, including BMW's superb M Sport Plus pack. So situated behind the lovely alloy wheels, you'll see the much larger M Sport Plus pack brakes, as well as the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. We've also got the satin side vinyls and our gloss black sidebars, along with the YNC Mpeformance decals. Now, the interior for this car is equally as special as the exterior, being that it is equipped with BMW's individual leather option, and we'll take a close-up glance at that very shortly. So in the front you get the electric movement and memory, along with heated seats. So there you can see this leather, as you can see, it is a very nice light black colour, and there you can see the individual logo there stitched into them, as well as this lovely quilted leather through the central section, along with the oyster highlights. Again, that runs right through to the door cards as well, and we've got this very nice quilted diamond effect onto the door cards, along with the Harman Kardon surround sound as well. Making our way towards the rear of the car, again that individual leather finds its way to the back seats as well, of course, and again everything is exceptionally clean and tidy. You also get a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench and a central folding armrest, and of course still maintaining the darkened M Sport headlining. Again, showing you off the stunning alloy wheels before we head towards the rear of the car, where we have added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. Now, of course, being the 435D, it is equipped with BMW's fantastic xDrive 4-wheel drive system. However, that does not mean we've lost any of our luggage capacity or even any of our passengers space, and that is of course always good news when we're looking at a car such as this one. Very large boot space, along with split folding seats, and again everything very nice and clean and tidy. Moving around to the other side of the car, where this is going to be the best light we have inside the showroom to highlight how nice this Tanzanite Blue colour really is. Again, showing you that off, and again this vehicle is in fantastic condition inside and out. And I'm going to head on inside shortly to run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with the very comfortable seats, where I'm going to go ahead and place myself. There you can see that professional wide navigation and media screen, currently displaying the DAB list. However, we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including the music collection, along with external devices covering you for USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX input. You'll also of course have Bluetooth telephone. Taking a real quick look at the navigation screen, which again is definitely a very user-friendly, nice system to use. Heading back to the main menu, just checking down here to show you off the dual climate control, and of course where you'll find your switches for those heated seats. In terms of the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, as well as that lovely twin turbo engine, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It's covered just over 67,000 miles, comes with full BMW service history, which we're going to take a look at in just a second, and it's not due a service for 18,000 miles, thanks to the vehicle just being serviced very recently. And if we go back to the top, there you can see we've got full BMW service history right up to the most recent service, which was carried out at 65417. So there you can see where it had a engine oil and microfilter change, and being that the fact it has just been a very recently serviced, which is of course always a great peace of mind and always very satisfactory for any potential next owner of the car. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully I've been able to show you just how nicely conditioned this stunning 435D M Sport Gran Coupe really is, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you guys. For further information, do of course remember to check out the description, where you can find links to our website and of course direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you guys, we'll hopefully see you soon. Do of course take care. Thank you, goodbye.